Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable developer options on Firestick. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So to begin, we're going to head over to the gear icon to the right of the screen. That brings us to settings. You see Wi-Fi settings, my Fire TV settings. That's when you want my Fire TV. Under my Fire TV, just come to About first and click on this Fire TV Stick 4K, this option. If you look under the option, you have the device name, device type, software version, serial number, and all that. What you need to do is to click on this option 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you've clicked on it 7 times, okay, now you are a developer. So you see a message on my screen saying no need, you are already a developer. In your case, you show you are now a developer. And to confirm that, you find developer options here, and you could toggle these settings on and off so you have developer privileges. So again, about, and I click on the Fire TV Stick 7 times to turn on developers options. Now that's it for this one. I hope you have enabled developer options and met the requirements you were looking for. If that was useful, like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more content like this.